Hello, and welcome to Lori's Learning Journey. Today, we have a case study. So here's the situation. Asthma patients. Asthma is a really debilitating condition. And it turns out there are a lot of asthma patients who get their medication for free, but they don't use it. What would be your guess as to why asthma patients, especially those who get their medication for free, don't use their medication? Well, in this kind of situation, one of the first things I do is try to get everybody's preconceived ideas. I think of it like cartoon characters where you have to shake them upside down and get all the coins out of their pockets. So whatever the preconceived ideas you want to know what those are. So the truth is, the client there was a pharmaceutical company, also the American Lung Association, they really thought that some of these people who maybe were lower income or disabled just didn't care. They weren't very smart. Just didn't want to take their asthma medication. Turns out, wrong. So we went into their homes and we said, all right, asthma patient, first of all, show me what you do for your health. And every single one of them is like the family medical experts. They're like WebMD for the whole family. Like, well, let me tell you, since I have asthma, here's all my vitamins and supplements. I have asthma, and so I know about health. Okay, interesting. Then it turns out that no one had really explained asthma very well. When we talk about asthma, we say it is a disease, when really it's a chronic condition. So with a disease, it comes and goes. And the experience of the asthma patient is that it comes and goes. The other thing is that when they use the asthma medication, it makes their heart race a little bit. So they thought they were giving themselves a mini heart attack, which is clearly worse than asthma. So we tried to find a new way of explaining asthma. Asthma is basically like, when you get poison ivy or poison oak and it creates a little scar? It's like that, except it's in your lungs and the scar doesn't go away. And they're like, ugh. And that heart racing thing, it's not a big deal. It's the medication makes your heart race for a second, but it's no worse than having an extra cup of coffee. Okay. So there's another reason why they weren't using their asthma medication. Asthma patients use their asthma to get out of stuff they don't want to do. So they'll be like, well, I'd love to go to your barbecue, but I have asthma. So the solution to getting asthma patients to use their medication, which they really need to use for their long-term health, is first you have to explain more clearly what is happening with asthma. What is the condition? Then you have to do a better job of explaining how the medicine works. In pharmaceuticals, they call that mechanism of action. How is it working? And third, you want to feed their ego and make them feel like the celebrity health person that they think they are at home. So you want to go, as an asthma patient, you know how important your health is. I can't help you with the barbecue situation, but that's the deal with asthma. So the question for you is, who in your life is doing something and you're just like, why are you doing this? I'm going to send you on a detective mission. See if you can find out from their point of view all of the good reasons why they're not doing the thing that you want them to do. See what you find out. So that's it for Lori's Learning Journey. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. It means the world to me. Hope you like it. Please comment, send me your questions, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.